First, it was Core. Then, later, it was Avive. And now, it is this platform that I'm going to be sharing with you pretty soon. Hello and welcome to this video. Welcome to Moniverse. If you are watching this video for the first time, whether you are watching from YouTube or my Telegram community, then you are welcome to the community. My name is Michelle, and I'll be sharing with you a very interesting airdrop just like Avive. Alright? Avive took after Core, the previously known Satoshi mining platform. Then this platform is taking after Avive. So don't sleep on this, don't joke with it. Watch this video to see the steps you need to take in order to get yourself registered and come on board this mining platform. I will review the platform at the end of this video. I'll also drop the link in the description of this video, but please make sure to watch this video as it is going to be very important for you to do that. Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new and click on the like button so that more people will get to see this video, and also don't forget to share it to your friends in order for them to be part of this. Alright, so let's get back to the video. Now, the platform, like I said before, is just like Avive. Okay, when you click the link in the description of this video, all you need to do after it brings up this page for you is to input your email in this first slot over here at the top. You see input email address. After that, you input your password and input your password again in order to confirm it. Then where it says please input email OTP, all you need to do is to click on this send OTP button. Many people get this wrong. They keep waiting for the code, or they won't go ahead and input their email and they'll be getting error codes. But all you need to do is to click on send OTP. Then you have to go to your email. When you go to your email, if you don't see it on your primary email list or email messages, you need to go to the spam folder, check it there, it will be there. Okay, so you copy out the code that was sent. It will be a 6-digit code. Input it in that second to the last section. Then leave this last one as it is, where you are seeing this random number. That is my invert code. Leave it as it is. Okay, then click on register. When you click on register, it will take you to another page where you'll be asked to do what? To download the app. It will show you the iOS version. It will also show you the Android APK, and it will ask you to also visit the website. So what you need to do is to download the APK version. If you click on visit the website, it will bring out this for you. As you can see, this is the website, Metapop. You can click on download app. Alright, you can click on download app. Then you can also read through to see what this platform is all about. You see that it is very interesting. It is a very interesting project. Alright, so after downloading the APK version, your phone might tell you that the APK might be harmful to your phone. Don't worry, go ahead and download because it is safe to download. You can see I've downloaded mine already. All you need to do after downloading, you click on it and it asks you to install it. After installing it, open it and log in. Okay, open it and log in. So after logging in, this is how the app looks like. This is how the app looks like. Let me open it. You can see it's already telling me to claim, but I'm not going to claim now. I'm not going to claim now. So you see the interface, how it looks like, just like what? Avive. If I want to claim, I'll just click on claim. You see 0.1 per round. 0.1 per round. You see tasks that you do. You see tasks that you do. It will ask you to join the Twitter handle, and after some minutes you get 1000 10,000 MPC, which is Metapop. Okay, you get 10,000 MPC. Then it will also ask you to claim BTC as first time comer. You claim BTC. You understand? Then it also asks you to refer 3 persons. Once you refer 3 persons, you earn 100,000 rewards, 100,000 NBC rewards. So when you invite people, you want to invite people, you click on invite here on the second bar, which is under team. You see your list of invited friends. If you don't have any other person, then get to work. Click on the invite code, the invite button. It will give you your link and your invite code. Okay, then you come over to tools. If you have a hash data box, just like hash cards and um, just like hashcards on Avive you and core, you put it there. You see use data box. If you have that of someone, you can put it here. I think this is not yet in place. It is coming soon. Then under my profile, you see your details, just like Avive. Okay, so please don't joke with this. Take it seriously. I'll be sharing next updates on the new airdrop that I also got. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.